Outside temperature, ½ degree. Yeah, I think we should take it easy. Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Nürburgring. That's beautiful. Today, as the title of this video suggests, we are going out in the BMW M4. You know this car already from obviously the video with Robert Kubica, from all the winter builds. So we did a couple of mods to it: Miltec exhaust, Team Shimmer diff lift kit, a couple of kinematic mods, Pro Track wheels with bigger tires, I think. 235 to the 519. No, I believe this is the stock size. Currently on Michelin 4S. The weather is actually good, okay to run AR1s, but that's something for next time. It's good? What pressure?
2.3.
2.3. Okay, that's good. Endless brake pads and a couple of mods. So let's hop in, do a lap, enjoy ourselves. Looking forward to it. Outside temperature, ½ degree. Yeah, I think we should take it easy. Thank you, bye.
Bye-bye.
You tagging along? As you can see, we have a change of scenery. The car was not rolling from the front parking lot, but from the garage, because we did a warm-up lap together with Bora, and the car was doing some scraping through Flans garden. So we put the car on the lift, saw some markings on the diff, marked the car again, and for that purpose, Bora has to go out with me again for the weight science purposes.
Yeah.
So I feel very sorry for you that you have to do this.
How hard on me, right?
Yeah, I know. But that's why we have, the way they say it in Dutch, meer zielen, meer vreugd. The more souls, the more happiness.
I think in English is the more the merrier. Right?
Exactly. But it's, yeah, and we also have Robert behind us in a GT2 RS, so it should be a very fun lap regardless. Oh look, big grill. MDM. Throttle on Sport Plus. Steering can be on Sport. Oh.
Kaput.
Kaput. Grosse Geld. Hallo Bernd.
Hi, alles gut?
Alles gut bei dir? Super. Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Vielen Dank. Tschüss, Josef. I have the feeling the camera is slightly offset, or is it straight?
It's a little crooked to the right side.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, we'll have to live with that, I guess. It's better, huh? Okay. Alright, off we go. Yes, boys. cars there, my favorite spot. Nice car, huh?
I love it so much. It might be one of my favorites.
Yeah, it's like really... Dude. It needs air once. It's like really... It's lots of fun, but... Was nice.
Very nice.
Was unfortunate that we got held up by Audi, not because we got held up, of course that's also like it has some minor point of frustration, but the reason why it's extra unfortunate because the biggest scrape on our previous lap happened in Garden, but we already had a big scrape through Foxhole this time, so we still need to do some modifications to the car, but on that in a separate video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed the lap. Was fun with Robert, a bit of playing, a bit of having fun. Yeah, that's what Nürburgring is all about, sharing it with friends. That was awesome. Looking forward to be doing more laps. Which car should we go next for?
I mean, I would have said the Yaris, but
yeah.
let's see about that.
Alright, so let's see. No, it's not the diff. The markings are still here.
Okay. Yeah, the exhaust is lower than the diff. This will touch first.
But it's not scratched, right?
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying this will touch.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking beforehand too, but
This is solid mounted now, and this is sitting lower.
something does.
How bad?
It's just like if you send it through compression.
Then it's probably the wheel arch ends.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, it's worse like that.
It's there?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Ah, minor thing. Should we put it higher or?
Yeah, we're gonna need to.